Okay, good morning guys. So, can you see our strawberry today? Morning. So, can you see our strawberry is now are going to no more runners na. So, kokonti na lang po yung runners. So, just to concentrate yung kanilang mga ay so we just remove the old leaves, guys. So, like this one, no? Just preparing for fruiting. So, today so much better. So mas gumaganda na po ang ating a beautiful strawberry today. That one is last week we load this one, no, the runners. So they are already maturing, So matured like this one, no, guys. So this is the sign that the strawberry is mother plant already. So the runners has gone. We cut already, so that we can concentrate the nutrient from their fruits, from their system. So that's why the incoming fruits may be healthy. Okay, as you can see, guys, so the other one, no, very good in uh, the leaves, very color green. There is something wrong with the, I think it's called that we need the fertilizer, something lacking today, guys. So we are cleaning, so that's why we pruning the strawberries. That's why for preparation for the fruiting of these fruits of this strawberry, we call that the it must what you call that, the fruits must be in good no, condition. So that's why we remove all the old leaves. You see that that one, no? So that one, this is okay already. So last week we load that, this is this sign, this kind that line. It is already a new loading of runners. So as you can see, guys, this is the perfect time though to trim all the strawberries, because they coming up the coming of the fruiting. It's the flowers. Can you see, guys, no, the strawberry, no, ang dami nila. So medyo may problema kasi parang yung mga dahon niya parang sobran sa ulan. So we need the greenhouse to maintain all the strawberries coming up. So you see this one, okay, so the very healthy strawberries, no. So they have a runners we cut already, but the incoming runners, so we got put it down so that they can concentrate in their own. They can concentrate for the incoming fruits, incoming flowers. So we just remove this one. So this already old leaves. So can you see the other one? It's so fast. We call that the fast. It's so fast. So fast growing strawberries. Yan, guys. So yan, guys. So after that one, hindi muna tayo magkaano ng we will not able to, we will cut all the runners so that they can concentrate to their nutrients, so that the mother plant will concentrate on their own, so they can be healthier than others. So all of this one Nandyan po guys, ay we will trim it, we will pruning. So pruning is the best for the strawberries this coming week or this coming month. They will have the other one, they guys, ay mayroon na rin pong mga fruits, may mga ano na. So yan. Okay, so yan, no guys, so ganda na yung kanyang maganda na po yung kanyang mga katawan, no? So ito double yun, dalawa na yung kanyang ano. Yan po ang ating strawberry na yan. That ba yan guys, so healthy eh. Oh, okay, ang ganda-ganda niya ngayon, oh. So that one guys, so we'll wait for the fruiting of this strawberry. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Update of our strawberry today. That one guys, we load the potting mix, Can't you see the difference guys, Too much rain is not, sometimes it's not good for the strawberry. Like this one guys, ang ganda nila. Talagang a beautiful a beautiful strawberries. Mother plant. So yun, we cut all this one, yung mga runners. So by next day, we will cut all the runners so that they can concentrate on their own. So yung mother plant, ma-focus niya sa sarili niya, mapalaki niya yung katawan niya. At the same time, pag nag-fruits siya, maganda yung fruits niya, hindi mapayat, hindi maliit.